Hey guys, it's me again, Alicia. Happy 2018, you guys. I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I've been taking a bit of a vacation and a break, so I'm super happy to be back and I missed you guys so much. But anyways, if you guys don't know, it was Elise and my birthday, so I wanted a cute hairpiece to wear for the New Year's. I actually recorded this on, I think, New Year's Eve because I was going to wear it that very night out, so I wanted to show you guys my New Year's Eve / birthday hair. This does come from PremierLaceWigs.com, so I'll leave all the information down below for you guys. In that last clip, you guys did see what comes along with your unit. I did get a stocking cap and an elastic band, a cute little booklet. My unit did come with a headband. I'm not quite sure if they're offering that special. That was their Christmas promotion, so you may not get that same exact headband with your wig. However, they always give really cool stuff with your wig, so be on the lookout for their free gifts that they do offer. But yeah, mine did come with the headband. The unit that I did get from them is their 360 anatomic lace front wig in the style body wave. Okay, so if you guys do not know what their anatomic lace wigs are, they're a anatomic construction which fits the head really good. It has like a 3-layer or 3-design elastic interior, which means that you're going to get a really nice fit. It's going to feel very comfortable on your head, but it's not going to lose your density, your volume, all that hair on there. You're not going to lose that. You're still going to have a really heavy density, but a nice fitted wig. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to get into the wig. All right, so in the inside of the lace, I do not like to bleach my knots or tint the lace because that's too much work and I'm lazy. So I like to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Deep Dark, and I like to apply that onto the lace. And as you guys can see, it applies very easily. Just go ahead and use a flat top powder brush and just tap it in there. And then to keep it from transferring, I do like to use a really good anti-humidity hairspray. I use my macadamia oil hairspray. I'll leave all the information on everything I'm using down below in the information bar so you guys can get the deets on that. And this is how the hairline is looking like. Now their units are pre-tweezed, so it already looks pretty natural. I like to go in a little further just to make it look a little natural for my liking. So I'm cutting down that baby hairs just a little. You can also pluck your hairline. However, I didn't want to disturb the curls in this unit, so I opted not to. And now I'm taking my extreme wet line gel. I don't like to use any type of like adhesive type gels like the Gotta Be and stuff because I don't really know how to do that stuff. I've tried and I've failed every single time, so I just kind of just do what I know how to do best. Okay, so I like to use my wet line and just lay those baby hairs a little. And now I'm taking my Afro pick just to lift the roots to add a little volume. Okay, I really wanted this hair to look, you know, like special occasion, New Year's hair. You know, I want it to look good. So now I'm just separating those curls because this hair does come in a really nice body wave curl. It almost looks like it was made for me. So it looks almost like it's custom, but it's not. Okay, so now I like to flop the hair over just to add additional volume. The more you flip the hair, the more volume you do get. However, you will get some frizz, all right? Especially when your curls are this perfect, okay? So I like to take my 1-inch Sotra Seductress curling wand and add those curls in. I'm going to go ahead and do all of my hair just to fix those curls, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I didn't want my curls to be too perfect. I wanted to look a little tousled, a little manipulated, because the more manipulated it looks, the more natural it looks, all right? So this is how my hair is looking like. For special occasion, event, you know what I mean. I like to kind of put the hair onto one side. It just looks a little more elegant. However, if you're turning up or you're getting lit, this is still going to be very cute, especially if you're wearing a dress, all right? So this is the angles of the hair, all right? There is the side and here's the other side. If I didn't say it already, the density of this unit is 150. The length is 22 inches and the color is a natural brown. As you guys can see, my hair does fall into my bra strap and I am 5'8", so it's the perfect length. It's not too long. However, if you wash the hair will lose those curls and it'll look a little more wavier, and it should look a little longer once you wash it, okay? But anyways, you guys, this is how it's looking. I'm absolutely loving this piece. Let me know if I did good for the New Year's. Is this a good birthday hair piece? Would you wear this for your birthday? Yeah, let me know, okay? Again, this comes from PremierLaceWigs.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic beginning of the year. I'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye.